everybody, welcome back to welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. Daddy's taking a big old drink of water right now.
Yep.
And we are doing another repair video. This is our newest repair. We've never had to fix one this new. This one is the Lemur with the lollipop, where he licks the lollipop. So we thought. So his tongue doesn't move, which we actually got him like that, but this was the only one left at that Walmart. So this is, you can kind of move his tongue a certain way to where you can get it to go. His lollipop says, "You're sweeter than candy." Uh-oh.
What's that?
He's never done that before.
Something else wrong with him, huh?
No, guys, seriously, he's never done that before.
I wonder if his battery's messed up.
Yeah,
Or if something else broke. Let's go get 3 batteries real quick.
He has done that a couple of times where he would just go, Nick. But he hasn't done that with his arms yet.
No?
That's a new one.
Mm-hmm.
He hasn't done that one yet.
Hopefully it's just the batteries. I thought I was just going to have to fix the tongue. I'll have to fix his arms too.
He just did something else and it hasn't happened. When we tried testing him on the video, he did this. Lick.
Oh, yeah.
It was just the batteries. So that's one of them that won't stop moving with the,
Yep.
won't stop doing something with the old batteries in them.
Yeah, once you press the button, he just kept going, huh?
Yeah. He did this. Lick.
So this guy, we're going to have, I think it should slide out the bottom okay. Where's his tie strap? There's the
And
edge of
the
it.
bottom jaw's kind of sewn in a little bit.
Yeah, I noticed that. See if any of it, no, it doesn't look like any of it's sticking out, huh? So I'd have to snip a little bit of his material so I can get in there and snip his tie strap.
We'll have to be careful not to get that tag off.
Oh yeah, I won't be up there messing with that.
But yeah, I've seen ones kind of like that, where like when the batteries just die out, it either won't stop making noise or won't stop moving.
I did not mean to push the button.
Maybe take the battery.
Yeah,
One of the
I can
batteries
take
out.
one out. Yeah, you can throw those 3 away if you like.
Or I'll do
They're
that
obviously
when
no
we're
good.
putting everything else.
Oh, okay.
Because I used to have a clapping dog where whenever he would like flap his ears and he played hands clap and he clapped his hands and his ears would flap up and down. One of his eyes were surrounded by a little heart, and whenever his batteries would be low, I could like play him and the music would still
There's
work, and he would flap his arms and flap his ears and clap his arms in sync of what it usually does, but it wouldn't play all the way through. And I don't remember if it was the hands that would just keep going like this, or if it was the ears that just kept going like this. But yeah, that's what this one reminded me of.
Alright, so.
Was of that. It went lick. There's one I've seen on With or Without Fur where she had a Kung Fu Panda where she got it at Goodwill where the batteries were dead
Mm-hmm.
or getting low, and he was just going, everybody was, everybody was, everybody was, everybody was, everybody was, everybody was, non-stop.
Yeah.
Everybody was come for fighting. Oh.
See if I can get this guy apart. Definitely don't want to have to make any cuts in his fur. He's brand new.
Yeah. The fact that we have to repair him is already.
Yeah, that's bad enough. I think we're gonna take all that stuffing out.
Before this guy, our newest repair was my dragon. The one
Yeah.
saying it's getting hot in here. And he flaps his wings.
Mm-hmm.
And the heart says forever drag on, I believe.
Oh yeah, that helped a lot, getting all that fur out of there.
But we just had to cut his hand open because it was just the wire off the button.
Yeah.
Though that one, when we first got it, it was fully working. This one we got not working.
It wasn't working in the store, right?
Yeah,
But you bought it anyway?
yeah. Because there wasn't any other ones of this guy left. We looked left, we looked right, we looked down, then we looked up. Still didn't see it. Actually, if Mommy wasn't there with me, which
There we go.
I don't know why I would be at Walmart
How would
by
you get
myself
there?
anyway. But yeah, this wasn't our Walmart
Alright.
anyway. We had to, because our Walmart
A
doesn't
different town,
have.
right?
Yeah.
Sometimes they have singing toys, but they really not that much, huh?
Mhm.
All right, let's see if this is gonna come out or not.
We have to kind of pull that over and cut that thread.
Oh, is there a thread on it?
Yeah, there's a tiny little thread pulling on the bottom jaw.
Bottom jaw?
We have to kind of flip it off first.
Let me get in there so
It's
I
like
can
for real friends when like the dog one has a collar. It's for real friends, and it says FURF because they just put the letters that stand for each word.
Oh, is that it? Yeah.
You get that thread cut on the bottom jaw.
See if that gets it off.
Well, I can see the thread when I fully pull his thing off. And where you cut it is not where the thread I was talking about was.
That's not.
Nope. Looks like. It looks a little strange.
Yeah.
It looks like he's like trying to lick his nose. He's like. I didn't actually lick my nose. I thought I might have actually. I was like, oh
Oh,
geez, I'm
that's
actually getting
this
really
one?
close. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about.
That one looks like it's already cut.
Really?
Oh, maybe not.
I just got my own computer today, guys.
Yeah, got it. Same way you get your phone. Or older stuff.
It was the one we used to use for like school and stuff. It had everything on it. But the computer that has like our school on it,
Oh, this
my
part's
school
glued,
on
I
it
think.
now, it looked glued to me. Really kind of got that looped over. Oh yeah,
Oh, I
that's
see.
glued.
Oh.
Yep,
So
that's
they
glued.
gotta. Yeah, let's get this out of the way.
This guy's gonna look weird to get this skin off. I just know it.
That stuffing out of the way. So, do I want to leave that glued and peel it off of here? I think I'll do
Well, I
that.
don't know how we would do that.
Well, because then I can just glue this back on when we put it back together. And
Yeah, we can glue that back on.
this will be easier to glue together than gluing the material back together. I think.
I would think so too. This guy was $9.97.
Drop some
You're good?
stuffing.
Oh yeah. I just thought that was lighting. I dropped it again. Well, I dropped it the first. And we have a little bit of a different camera setup this time because I was in the middle of a stop motion, but then my phone died, so probably like tomorrow or the next day I'll make a part 2 to that.
Oh, so you didn't even start the part 2?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. I thought you had.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that really does not want to go on.
Because once my phone died on me, that's when
There we go.
my mouth busted out a loud yell. It was
Yeah.
like, ah!
I heard you.
But a lot louder than that. This is probably the first one of this lemur that's ever been taken apart in the world.
Maybe.
Probably. Because I wouldn't imagine anybody would take apart such a new toy.
There.
Unless, whoa! Whoa! Whoa, that looks amazing! The only
His face is inside out.
Wait, let me see.
See? We'll leave it like that so we
Whoa.
can put it back together easier. His face is all
Now
smushed in. And that's just a plastic guy with a big tongue.
I don't know why, but all it needs is just like eyes right there and it would look real.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's got the mouth.
It looks like a dog's got a big old dog tongue.
Yeah. And if there was another like black piece there, it would look like a nostrils.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta put the other battery back in.
Yeah. Which hand is it? That one? Go ahead.
Turn it around so they can see
Well,
what
I
it
didn't
does.
see it too, so.
Oh, his tongue
No, it
moves.
works.
His tongue moves.
Seems to be working fine now. I wonder if it was stuck on something. It's licking the hands.
Do you guys ever do that where you just kind of lift your hands up to your mouth and you go? I'm actually licking my hands right now.
That's weird.
Not really to me. I'm thinking maybe. Oh, now it's not moving. Now it's stuck. It's down on the tongue.
Yeah, so something wrong with it. At least it's just in the head. Shouldn't have to take any of that other stuff apart, just the head.
I knew this guy was gonna look weird on the inside since this is the only
It
one
definitely does.
that has a tongue.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah,
I
we
have
one that
lots
has-
of singing toys with tongues probably,
Not a
but
plastic tongue that moves. Do you have any that has a tongue that moves?
no.
I didn't think so.
I don't have any with a plastic tongue that move.
Mhm.
His tongue is rubber.
This one's rubber? Oh,
It's
okay.
rubber. Yeah. I thought it'd be plastic too, but when I felt his tongue, I could feel somebody's tongue. The scrape has got a little bit of brown skin on it. Like brown extra skin.
Oh, that's okay.
The original skin.
Alright. Just that big old
Remember,
patch
kids.
glue.
Well, you remember, parents, you don't feed your kids grapes unless if they're like 3.
What?
In case you guys didn't know, they're on a high level of choking hazard.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Okay. Let me see, is that greasy? I'm just seeing, yeah, it's really greasy. Why do they grease up something that has a rubber band on it? That doesn't make any sense. Why would they do that?
Because I just saw this morning there was another little boy that has a lemur just like this. And the one on his, the tongue isn't moving either.
It doesn't move either. I bet you that's why.
But most of them I see on YouTube, the tongue is moving perfectly fine.
Yeah, it's a little bit greasy. We'll try that first. Oh, I gotta get the, well, we'll just try and wipe it off.
In case none of you guys know the Jimmy series. I've said Jimmy a lot of times in my life.
Mm-hmm. That pulley might not have been on all the way. I wonder if that could have had something to do with it.
The pulley wasn't on all the way?
This one might not have been.
I don't see how one of those round ones could break very easily.
Round ones. What round? Oh, the
Mm-hmm.
gears?
Yeah,
Or-
round gears.
Or one of these pulleys.
Yeah, one of the pulley ones.
You know, break this. They get slippery sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
This one had grease on it, so maybe that's what's wrong with it. Hopefully.
Oh yeah. Let me continue what I was saying, guys. So you guys know the Jimmy series with like, where it's like an animal or a person, like a character, that's like holding a food, and they lift it up to their mouth and they chomp on it. I have one of those. It's a goat, and he has a stocking.
Yeah.
It's the only one that isn't a food.
Let's try it again. Jeez, he almost knocks himself over.
No, it's because your hands were a little bit in the
Oh, he was
way.
hitting my hand?
Yeah, he hit your hand and you kind of. But yeah, I think the first one of this series, actually this year for.
Oh,
That looks in
this wire just broke off.
Uh-oh, where was that from?
The motor.
Oh, now it ain't. Now it definitely ain't gonna spin.
Mm-hmm. I wonder if that's what was doing it.
No, I don't think so because.
Maybe the wire wasn't on there real good, so sometimes it worked and sometimes it didn't.
No, I think it was like getting jammed of some sort. Because it gets jammed on one certain little spot. Glue. Was that glue?
Yep.
Oh,
Alright, so take out the battery.
fit it into that big old grape and it just squirted in my mouth.
Oh, let me go get my solder nut and plug it in.
Maybe I need to go pee pee. But yeah. That was a very juicy grape. But yeah, if I ate that juicy grape any later, probably would have exploded juice all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
That one was filled. Literally filled. With a lot of juice. Either that or I just bit into it weird. I don't think so though. But yeah, so that Jimmy series, the Num Num Glazer, Craving, yeah, that's right. Craving ones. The first one, I believe the first one they came out with was a Santa Claus with a cookie. And there's also a snowman with a donut. There's a zombie with a brain.
A zombie with a brain, really?
Yep. Which that one actually, most of them like sing songs and they make munching sounds too. So the zombie with the brain just goes. There's also a baby Frankenstein which is naked except it has a diaper on. And he's eating like a skeleton cookie. He has the same recording too. And there was the goat one I was telling you guys that I have.
There we go.
With the stocking for Easter almost a year ago.
Almost a year ago.
Yeah. 2023 Easter is almost getting pretty close to a year ago. If you think about it.
Yeah, a couple months.
Next week is the end of January.
Yep.
Already.
Yep, next Wednesday is the last day of the month.
Next Wednesday.
Yep, that's the 31st.
Nothing like a mix with grape and cheese. Mighty.
Come on. I can get it. There it is.
I always smell my cheese before I eat it.
How come? You like the smell of cheese?
I guess.
I guess.
I always look at it really closely too. Make sure there's nothing on it. There was one time I almost ate moldy cheese.
Really?
Mhm.
Why would you do that? I wouldn't want to eat molded cheese.
I don't know. It was actually when we were in the hotel
Mm.
while we were still waiting for this house to get built.
Oh,
And like every breakfast, Mommy would give me my breakfast and my cheese cubes.
mm-hmm.
And I smelled something that morning when she gave me my breakfast. I was like, what is that smell? And then I saw like blue speckles on my cheese. I was like, Mom, can you get this stuff off my cheese? She said, just a second. And then when she did come over, she said, oh no, you can't eat that cheese. That's moldy.
Mm.
So I always smell my cheese, smelling for that distinct smell. Do you think that's part of it, that has a flat spot on it?
Mm. It's all supposed to be like that.
It's supposed to have that flat spot there?
Yeah, sure it is.
Hmm.
Otherwise, why would it be there?
That's upside down.
Is it?
Yeah, because the
Oh,
bottom
yeah.
jaw.
That's what.
That's backwards.
Yeah.
Wait, no, never mind. Wait, something's not right.
This is the bottom. I had it right.
Oh yeah, you did. Sorry.
Does that go in? I think it goes like that.
You want me to push the button?
Yeah, go ahead.
See, now he's not knocking himself over. See, but if I put him, see, with my hands there, seems to be working fine now.
It does.
Lick, 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 like a lollipop. Lick, 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 like a lollipop. Oh yeah, guys, I got some more new stuff.
Yeah, it's definitely working.
Like a lollipop. Did it work?
Yeah, I even pushed my hand on it.
Whoa.
And it was working fine, so.
We got another adult Happy Meal. This one's the main character. Here's the card it came with.
So I got the main character now.
No, I got the main character now. So there's his name.
I'm the one that got the adult Happy Meal. You got the kid Happy Meal.
And the whole exciting reason we got I'm the one that asked you if we could see if they still had the adult Happy Meal.
Well, I was going to get it anyway because I wanted a toy.
No, you said, well, I guess. I'm getting off there. See, so, is that still on?
No, it's turned off, but it might be warm, so try not to touch it.
So he's got his hat and his hair. Him himself. I don't know why he has a pencil drawn on his cheek. These are from like
He
older
didn't draw it on with that pencil.
older McDonald's toys. He's got the Fry Guy shoes. That wire come off again?
No, I screwed them together, but he has to. I can't get him back on now. You distracted me.
I did?
Yeah, by stealing my adult Happy Meal toy.
I did not steal it. I have now got the complete set of the Krabby Patty Plus prize. Except for Golden SpongeBob. I still need to get the Golden SpongeBob.
You have the normal set, yeah. You just don't have the special one.
Yeah, we went to Walmart last night. I got another one of these. It just happens to be one of them I need. I only need
The
one.
last, yeah, the last one, right?
Yeah, Barnacle Boy. Well, that's his actual name. But since he's like a wobbly bean, he can be Barnacle Bean.
Oh.
Barnacle Bean, Barnacle Bean, Wiggly Bean, Maybelline. Hey, way down the batteries to roll, 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 roll. Batteries on a roll, batteries on a roll.
30 minutes.
Yep. And I see a deer back there in our yard.
Oh, I dropped the screws.
Oh, one.
Dropped another one.
There's a few of them out here.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's two over there, one outside our fence. Then there's the first one I saw kind of hiding behind the tree. So there's four of them out there.
4 deer.
Yeah, there's four of them out there. Where is this? Where is it?
I dropped one of these little silver screws.
Where is it?
I don't know.
You have to tell me so I can find it.
It's on the floor.
Where on the floor?
I don't know.
Our floor is pretty big. You're looking on the wrong side.
Did you find it?
No.
Thanks.
Yes, I did. There's 4 deer outside now. Cool. 2, like in the center of it. 1 behind a tree. 1 outside our fence. Woo!
They're probably scared away now. Yeah. With that, I think there's a dog howling in here.
Did it work?
Yep.
Let me see. Woohoo! He's licking his hands.
Look at that hand. Yeah, it smacks it. Probably bend it down a little bit.
Yeah. Well, they're posable.
Yeah.
I got this
Okay.
little squirrel thing too from McDonald's where you can like break them in half. And he's got this little cardboard thing of eyes where he has one that's like swirly eyes, one that's like big black eyes with the little white pupils, one are just little black eyes, and one are like sleepy eyes. They're
Okay,
like,
where's the bottom part of his mouth?
they're like the curved eyes. But oh yeah, and he has like stickers too you can put on him. But like I said, I'm in the middle of a stop motion with him.
This is the bottom. Jaw. Okay. This will be fun. I think I'll put them back together, and then we'll see if we can pull up the material from outside to put his to glue it.
Yes. Yes. Oh, were we gonna have to glue that back in?
Yeah, and then try and do it after we get his arms and stuff in.
But he can't have a part 2. This was the only be part 1. He's the only supposed to have part 1. No other parts. For him. Okie dokie. Dokie dokie. Okay. Threw away my plate. Voila. Little bites. Opened the box and took out a pack before we even paid for them. We did pay
We
for them
did.
though, which means
We did pay for them. We put them in the cart.
because I was hungry.
Yeah, because you said you were starving.
Jeez, all of the ones in those boxes were all smushed, really smushed and crushed.
Oh, come on. not gonna glue it back
Whoa.
together as easy as that.
It's almost like this one wasn't fully baked, because 2 of the sprinkles aren't melted.
Oh, okay.
This one is all smushed and crushed too.
This goes on that little bottom.
Jeez!
Where's that little
I'm
bottom
saving
job?
that one for last, guys. That's a big one. This one's pretty smushed and crushed. Probably take out one of his batteries.
Yeah. I'm turning on while we're doing it. Yeah, take the battery back out.
The worst one yet. Jeez, guys. How did it get squished so bad?
The box wasn't squished, so that means it happened wherever they make them. They squished the bags before they stuck them in the box.
I mean, these things are usually like different sizes. Like some are like big and round. Some are small and flat. Some are perfect. Not too tall, big, and round. Not too small, little, and flat. Medium. Not too flat. Not too broad. Just right.
Alright, so before I
But-
do
The ones that we got in this bag were all like,
am I going to be able to glue it from inside or from outside? So this goes,
or if it stays in there, then we won't have to glue it.
yeah, and I need to glue it right there. He's going to look goofy. So I
He would
can-
look goofy. Let
Yeah.
me see.
If I glue it like that, then his face will stay. Otherwise, his face might not stay right.
His mouth is a little too open.
Yeah,
It's not usually that open.
I know. I gotta get this part. This goes inside
Do you
too.
guys smell your wrappers to candy or anything before throwing it away? You ever feel bad for the crumbs that came off the muffins that never got eaten?
Alright, now we gotta stuff all this back in.
Well, a lot of that was in his body.
Yep, it was all in his body.
Well, it wasn't that chubby.
It was all like up here around his. Some of it came out of the arms.
And we did have to take his handkerchief thing off.
Nope, didn't have to. I'm glad about that. I'm sure it's sewn, you know.
Yummy and delicious muffins. They're satisfying ASMR chewing sounds effects.
Stuff.
Most people get really annoyed with that sound.
The chewing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know that would be. I don't know how pleasant that sound would be. Hear a lot of it. You like that sound?
Yeah, it's just something about that sound for me is just so satisfying.
It is.
Mhm.
That's good. I don't think I would like it as much. That arm's good. This one.
In fact, like, what is wrong with that sound?
Nothing. I don't think it's a relaxing sound like you do. There we go. Almost. Don't get the stuffing back in the arms. So his arms are weird looking. And
Well,
floppy.
the one with the button in it actually didn't have any.
Yeah, that one didn't have much stuff in it.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it had some in the arm, but
Yeah,
it didn't have any
this-
in the hand.
Yeah, this one's got good enough. I was just trying to get that one back to normal.
Make sure we don't make them too chubby.
No, it's really squishy stuffing, this one. And it's all up here.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's all squishy in him?
Well, I mean, the stuffing really like compacts pretty good.
Oh, I get it now. So we'll get
See,
the.
he's not real big.
So once we get that like that,
How does
so
that look? That's how he looks, that's about right.
yeah, other than like the mouth looks a little messed up.
Yeah, so I said we'll have to glue it.
But we already got it all back on though.
Yeah, I'll glue it from my hair. See
We're
this?
not gonna be able to do that.
Yeah, see, look, see the plastic? Right there? I'll put some glue right there, and then I'll push this back.
Will the tongue still be able to move?
Yeah, because it's just that material on the plastic, so that'll stay like that. It might be a little bit more open than it was originally.
Okay.
And then
Well,
this piece we'll have to
let's
stitch
put
back
his
down.
other battery back in and see how he works now
Yeah, see how
that we got him all fixed up. In fact, how did we fix him again?
I think that wire was falling off, and I cleaned the. There was the little pulley was very greasy, so it was probably
I'll push the
slipping.
button.
Let's see if he works.
Oh yeah, the tongue's moving now.
Yeah. You straight? There's a little bit crooked.
Looks good. What do you mean by like straight or crooked?
Oh yeah, it looks fine. He's not really licking the lollipop though.
Yeah, well, the lollipop is posable too.
Oh, is it?
I'll fix the lollipop.
Well, there you go.
There we go. Now we just need to put in the tie strap and it'll be good to go.
Yep.
Because I actually think how it
One of these
looks, it
longer.
doesn't really look like it needs to be glued, actually.
Yeah, one of those ain't gonna be long enough. I'll have to get two of the short ones.
Like, whoa, chair slider across the ground. Goodbye, muffin wrapper. It's stressful having to get rid of you. Expiration date, February 18th, 2024. Expiration date, February 18th, 2024.
I take the battery out.
Oh, they're so slow.
That's starting up while I'm doing this.
But they're only four in that. There are only 4 little muffins in one bag. Lick, 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 like a lollipop. Say lick, 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 like a lollipop. Lick, 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 like a lollipop. Lick, 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 like a lollipop. A lollipop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
What you doing?
Fogging up the window!
How come?
'Cause I am! I have no reason that actually makes sense.
That's not surprising.
I know. Oh, he's got an extra tail now.
No, this tucks in.
Oh. Ooh, I want to leave a little bit of a loop.
There will be a tiny bit sticking out, see?
So once we get that tucked in there, we'll just need to put the battery cover back on and test it. And let's hope he'll be working. 45 minutes, almost 46.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we're getting kind of close. Here, we can put the battery cover back on off video.
Okay.
Just to save some
I'll
time.
just set it in there.
Woohoo!
Works.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's it. See you next time.
Bye, everybody. Wait until he's done.
Yep.
Bye, everybody.